In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a reminder on tasks in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I have this task and I'd like to go ahead and add a reminder. You can see it is in progress. To add a reminder, you can just go ahead and click on this ellipsis here and you'll see we have remind me. Alternatively, you can also just tap on the task and open it. And once it is open, you can now head over to task settings here and then choose remind me. Now this will go ahead and open the calendar and then choose the date when you want to be reminded. For instance, I want to be reminded the following day. I can also go ahead and add the time that I want to be reminded. For instance, let me be reminded at 1 p.m. and to set it just like that. And now the reminder has been created by just clicking outside. So that's how you can add a reminder on a task in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.